Hi guys, quick video about shortcuts. If you play video games, if you play World of Warcraft, for example, you know that shortcuts are really important. Of course, today we are talking about the ChemTrace client. If you wish to use the ChemTrace client software efficiently, you have to use shortcuts, so you will be quicker every day when you need to use the software. So let's start with some basics. For example, right now I am looking at one camera, live mode. If I press I button, I will have some interesting information. For example, the video stream resolution, FPS, if it's H.264, H.265, etc. I can also press S to take a screenshot. I can press O on my keyboard to display objects. For example, right now I do have another camera nearby, camera 53. This feature is only available if your ChemTrace server is in version 10.17. You can also use the asterisk shortcut in order to display the name of the camera with a very big font size. If you are in live mode, you can also use those following shortcuts. So for example, I can use P to go to player mode. Right now you can see the timeline down there, which means that you are not in live mode anymore. Let's go back to live mode. I can also press the R button and start a forced recording. This is very useful if your camera is not recording and you see that something important is happening. So just by pressing R and then yes, you can start this forced recording. You can also press M for magnifier, and this little rectangle will appear. So you can put your mouse on top of it and then zoom in with your mouse wheel. If your camera is a PTZ camera, you can control the camera without using your mouse with 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 8, 7, 4. And also you can zoom in with plus, you can unzoom with minus button, and you can completely unzoom with your 0 shortcut. If you are in player mode, so as a reminder, right now I am looking at the live mode. I can switch to player mode using P shortcut. If I need to switch from regular recordings in green to alarms track recording in red, you can press A, and of course you can go back to regular recordings mode by pressing R. You can also use your spacebar in order to play and pause. So when you are using YouTube, it is the exact same shortcut. And to conclude this video, if your mouse is above the timeline, you can right click and then you will see some further options. For example, there is one shortcut I really like. You can shift and then right click, and then you can select zoom in. After doing so, you can, for example, export or protect the video footage very easily. Here you have a question mark button, so you can see and check all the shortcuts I mentioned today. Thank you for watching this video. Do not hesitate to like and subscribe to our ChemTrace channel, and see you next time.